Hi, I'm Dave Macenter, General Manager and one of the owners of Titan Truck Equipment. I want to welcome you and thank you on behalf of our 49 employees and their families for showing interest in what we do. We've been selling and installing plows, spreaders, and liquid de-icing equipment for several decades now. I'm proud to say many of our team members have been here 10, 20, and some even for 30 years and more. We'd like to think we know a thing or two about plows and spreaders and want to make sure that you get the right equipment for the job. Titan's 2020 lineup of snow and ice control products promise to be even better and more feature-laden than ever before. So how do we do it? First, Titan Truck Equipment recently invested in some new tools to make your buying experience even easier. At titantruck.com, you'll see we've added vehicle fitment lookup. You can now search for plows that fit your truck based on the manufacturer specifications from the convenience of your own computer or phone. And of course, we're happy to install your plow and show you how to work it if you'd like. To order your plow, you can stop by, call us, or now for the first time, even order online. However, if you just want a plow shipped to you or your installer, we're happy to do that too. If you place your order online, someone from our experienced team will call you to confirm your vehicle's fitment details. One and done. We call this our plow fitment guarantee. Second, we've created a way for out-of-town customers to conveniently make a trip to Spokane. If you live more than an hour from Spokane and are having us install your snowplow, we'll put you up in a nice hotel, like the Davenport, and give you transportation credit. So, while we're installing your snowplow, you're enjoying a mini vacation or even a date night. Just let us know at the time we schedule your install that you'll be coming in from out of town and we'll arrange your hotel stay. It's that easy. Lastly, and most importantly, I personally want you to have the best equipment buying experience ever with us. And we've put together a great team to help you accomplish that. I'm Dave Macenter, and from everyone at Titan Truck Equipment, we wish you a safe and successful plowing season.